Hello friends, welcome back to my Afroc YouTube channel. Hope you are good. Friends, today I'm gonna show you that how to do important settings of Facebook page. Friends, in couple of previous video I have shown how to create perfect Facebook page and many more. If you see all the videos, really you can run a perfect Facebook page, and also you can watch this video to make more settings about Facebook page. So to make all the important settings of Facebook page, please watch the whole video, and if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe now and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Friends, to stay tuned with me, please like my Facebook page. You will get the link in description box, and I'm coming to you after intro. Friends, to make important settings of Facebook page, you have to log in your Facebook first from Google Chrome browser or any browser of your computer. Then you have to go on your page. So I want to make the settings for Afroc page, this one. So I'll click on it. If you didn't find here, you can click on pages. Then you can find your page over there. You have to open that page. So I want to open my page from here. After that, you will get an interface like this, right? Then you have to go on settings at the bottom. You have to click on here, settings. Then my friends, you can see here is lots of settings. See, you have to review all the settings from here. So for the first settings, you have to click on here, page visibility. Friends, see here page published, right? Sometimes if you make page, you can see here page unpublished. So you have to make your page published. For this you have to click on here, edit. Then you have to select page published. Then you have to click on save, right? So I have already made page published, right? So cancel this one. Then you have to go on visitor post. Friends, see what is written here. Choose who can publish to your page timeline, right? So click on here, edit. Friends, if you click on allow, that means you are giving the permissions people who follow your page. If they want, they can make post in your page. So here my friends, I don't want the followers can make post in my page. That's why I select disable. But if you want, you can make allow. Then you have to click on save changes. After that, here is post and story sharing, right? So click on here my friends, edit. Friends, here if you click on allow, that means the followers can make share your post. So my friends, I want my followers can share my post. That's why I select allow and I give the check mark here also. Then I click save changes, right? If you want to make disable, then you have to select disable. Then you have to click on save changes. And after that, there is audience optimization for post, right? So click on edit my friends. Friends, this option is for that. For every page there is a targeted people, right? So if you want, you can make these settings from here by giving the check mark here. Then you have to click on save changes. Then you can make targeted people to reach your post. After that, there is messages, right? So click on edit. By allowing this option, you are giving the permission the followers can contact with you privately by messages. So I have given the permission to contact with me. So cancel this one. After that, there is a tagging ability, right? So click on edit. If you allow this option, that means the followers can tag in your page. So I don't want this option. That's why I didn't give the check mark here. If you want, you can give the check mark here. Then you can click on save changes. After that, there is others tagging this page, right? So click on here, edit. If you give the check mark here, that means you are giving the permission to other people and also other pages to tag in your page. So my friends, I don't want the people and other pages can tag in my page. So I'll remove the check mark from here. Then I'll click on save changes. And here is country restriction, right? So click on here, edit. Friends, if you want, you can show your page in specific countries. Then you have to write the name of that countries. Then you have to select this one because you want to show your page on specific countries. After that, you have to click on save changes. Or if you want, you can restrict your page for some countries. You have to select this one, the second one, and also you have to write your country name for which country you want to restrict your page. Then you have to click on save changes. So I want to show my page in worldwide. That's why I didn't write any country's name here. So now I'll go on next method. So cancel this one. Then you can select age restriction from here. So click on here. Click on drop down sign. See, here is people who are 17 and over. And here is people 18 and over. So if you want, you can select your targeted people. So for my pages, I want all ages people. That's why I select public. If you want to select a specific age, then you can select from over there. Then you have to click on save changes. So cancel this one. Then I'll go page moderation, right? Scroll down a little bit. Click on here, edit. Friends, here if you want to block some comments or some words, then you can do it. You can write that words here that you want to block, then you have to click on save. And the next setting is profanity filter. So click on edit. If you want, you can make it strong or medium or off. So friends, this one you know that this one is nudity, so you can block this one if you want. So cancel this one. After that, there is similar page suggestion. So click on edit. If you allow this option, that means with the similar pages, your page will show on a recommended page. So my suggestion is that you can turn on this one. And after that, there is a page updates. So click on here. If you make allow, then if you change in your page something, right, your page name or anything of your page, the followers can get update of your page. And here is post in multiple languages, right? So click on edit. Like my friends, if you want, you can post in multiple languages, right? If you have 3 or 4 admin from different countries, they can make posts in their own languages. For this, you have to give the check mark here, then you have to click on save changes. Scroll down, my friends, and see, it has translate automatically, right? So click on here, edit. I turn on this one because if I post something, then they can make translate automatically on their language. And here is comment ranking, right? So click on edit. In comment ranking, the most relevant comments will show on top. Friends, you know that in your Facebook post, there will come lots of comments, right? So here will show the most relevant comments with your post in top. So you can allow this option, then you have to click on save changes. After that, you have to go on content distribution. So click on edit. Friends, if you allow this option, that means you are giving the permission to the followers or any people to download your videos of any post from your Facebook page. So my page is video tutorial related, that's why I don't want anyone can download my Facebook page video. That's why I didn't allow this option, but if you want, you can make allow this option. After that, download page, right? So click on here and see, my friends, what is written here. Get a copy of your page's post, photos, videos and page info, right? So if you want, you can make a copy of all the information and you can keep with yourself. After that, there is a merge pages, right? So click on edit. Friends, if you want, you can merge duplicate pages. Like if you have 3 or more pages, then you can merge with them. Friends, in this case, in my suggestion is that don't merge duplicate pages, because if you merge duplicate pages, your main page will get more followers, but the duplicate pages will not get that much followers that you want. Friends, at the last one is remove page. So if you want to remove your page, then you have to click on edit, then you can remove your page. So I hope you will not remove your page because you have to make all the settings. So why will you remove your page? So friends, like this we can review all the settings, then you can make the settings what you need with your page. Friends, to make the settings, if you have any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. And also, if you have any question about this settings related, you can ask me anytime in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.